If your first attempt at pothole repair fails, treat it as a controlled learning step and prepare to do a more thorough patch. Start by removing the failed material and any loose debris using a stiff broom and a chisel or cold chisel to reach solid pavement edges. Inspect the sides and bottom of the hole for undermining or soft subgrade by probing with a screwdriver. If the base crumbles, dig out to firm material and backfill with compactable aggregate before patching. Enlarge the hole slightly to create a rectangular or trapezoidal shape with vertical edges so the new material keys in and will not shed under traffic. Dry the area or remove standing water and apply a tack coat or a thin layer of binder if using hot or polymer modified cold mix to improve adhesion. Place the repair material in layers no thicker than 2 inches and compact each layer firmly with a hand tamper or a rented plate compactor to remove air pockets and achieve interlock. Crown the patch slightly above surrounding pavement to allow for final settling and traffic consolidation. Common mistakes include leaving loose debris and failing to reach solid edges, which causes the patch to break out. Fix this by chiseling back to sound pavement and cleaning thoroughly before placing new material. Another frequent issue is inadequate compaction, which lets water infiltrate and accelerate failure. Solve that by compacting in thin lifts and using the heaviest compactor practical for the job. A third problem is ignoring subgrade damage. If the base is soft or organic material is present, excavate deeper, replace with crushed stone or aggregate, and compact in layers before repatching to prevent recurring collapses. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and a community of peers who share practical repair experiences and recommendations. We help contractors find work and customers. And we host an active discussion forum where users trade tips, ask questions, and report what worked for them.